Hey everybody, so today on Family Cooking Life, one of my daughters has asked me about chicken, and so I'm going to do a series of videos on different ways that I cook chicken. Alright guys, so quick and easy way to break this down. You just cut in by the legs and break down into here, and then they kind of lie flat. Once they lie flat, then you can see the leg and the thigh come together. You can just come in like this, okay, like this. Then you come around the back, then you got your oysters back here, you can see them. You want to try and get those in with your thigh. And then cut it right out like that. Okay? One piece. Okay? Same thing with this side. Try and get that oyster in there. And just go along the bone line. Beautiful. Okay, then once you got that done, then you grab your wings. You find the knuckle. Sometimes it's easy to find, sometimes it's not. I like to just break it, get them in, done. And same with this one. Wings off. I usually use those for stock. Keep the breast together. Then I just come down and you just break through the back to get the breast off. Like that. Okay. Now the back's giving me problems. There we go. Then you get the breast. The back I'll save for stock. Probably add the wings to the stock also, but we'll cook them, we'll see. And then with the breast, you find a straight line down the middle. And cut. And if you want more pieces, you'll just cut them straight in half. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then take the thigh out the drumstick. You got your perfect thigh and your perfect drumstick. Okay. Just like that. Nice clean cuts. How many pieces we got? We're gonna put that in there. Put that. We're gonna take buttermilk. We want it all submerged. So we're gonna go buttermilk. Yeah, about 2 cups. We got some cayenne and paprika mixed together. We got some ginger, some salt, some pepper. About a tablespoon of each. And yeah, we're probably gonna go all of it. Okay, so lastly, you're gonna take your chicken that's brining, marinating. You're gonna seal it completely and let it sit in your fridge 24 hours. What are we making today?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken. You guys gonna help me bread it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Anyways, guys, yesterday we started off with full chicken. We butchered it and we put it in a brine of buttermilk. So here's that brine. It's been sitting for way over 24 hours, so it's really good. And we're gonna make our flour, okay?
I'm going to scoop it.
You're gonna scoop what, the flour?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how about this?
Oh, I'm going to scoop up that.
Okay, so here we've got, Mr. Man decided to mix them all up, but that's okay. We've got ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, we got paprika, we've got salt and pepper, and we're gonna add a little bit of oregano into our flour mixture. Super easy. You have to add a lot, otherwise it just doesn't come, flavor doesn't come through the flour. So that's in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Smell good?
Yeah.
Smell?
Mm.
Okay. Yeah. You can do the flour, okay? So yep, there's one, put it in. Perfect. Another one.
I mean,
Oh, yeah, do another one like that, okay? There you go. Perfect. Do one more, just for fun. Let Diana do a scoop of the oregano. So 1 teaspoon of oregano. Oh, and by the way, it was basically a teaspoon, yeah, that's good, of all the other spices as well. Drop it in. Awesome. Okay, now we're gonna mix that up a little bit. Diana, you can stir it in.
I'm going to stir it in.
Chef 1, Chef 2, and Baby Chef.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pour the flour in, and this is just a general gluten-free flour. So we're gonna try probably a cup and a half.
I'm mixing it, Dad.
Good point.
Can I
Okay.
smell it?
Yeah, you can smell it.
Can I smell?
Yeah, for sure.
Mm.
Good job. Mix that flour up. Teamwork. Look at that.
Can we do teamwork?
Yeah, you guys.
I want one like that.
We've only got the one right now.
I'm going to scoop and mix. Scoop and mix.
Okay. A big Ziploc bag we're gonna use to get our chicken all breaded up. Diana, I'm gonna get you to do this one first, okay? So 1 piece, okay?
Can
Now I want you to grab the bag from the top. Yeah, close it off. Now I want you to shake it up. Shake it up. Yeah, you got it. You can work at KFC now. Okay, let's see it. See how she did. Oh, look at that, baby. That is beautifully floured, honey. Okay. Hold it up. Yep, shake it up. You got it. Good job.
Wet.
A little wet. It's okay. You just have to wash your hands afterwards, okay? Okay, Dad's going to do like 3 at once, okay? And then I'll let you do one more real quick.
Can I hold it?
Oh, you did wicked, dude. Look at.
Can I hold it?
Oh, yeah.
I'm just holding it.
No, you can't hold it. It's raw chicken, okay?
Can I pick up? Are those from chicken
Beautiful.
bones?
Theo, up, please.
Those
It's
from
raw
chicken
chicken. But
muscles?
I don't want you getting dirty with raw chicken. Chicken meat, yeah. I'm going to take over and get the rest done. Diana, shake it up. Shake it up. Yeah, shake it up. What can I fit? Okay, so we got them all spaced out, and we're gonna get them cooking. I'm gonna do the other half on this side, and we'll have fried chicken. Be back when it's done. Okay, we're about halfway through the cook stage here, guys. Let's take a peek. Oh, it's looking golden brown. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm going to check these here in a bit and see what temp they're at. They look beautiful though. See you when they're done. Okay guys, I let these rest, and you can see when you look at the skin, you can see that they leached out and it made the skin not crispy anymore. So that's what we wanted. Now we're gonna get it back in the air fryer and let them finish to 165, and they'll be nice and crispy and delicious. We got our chicken. It's done to temperature 165. I'm gonna pull them out and let them rest. Now this is my first time doing gluten-free in the air fryer, so the crispiness is there. You can hear it. The skin's staying on fairly well, but we'll see in the taste test, I guess. So I'm just gonna take a wing and I'm gonna pull it apart. Ooh. And try the batter and see how it is.
So, we're going to...
Yeah, for gluten-free, I can't even tell. This is great. Wow. Hot.
Chicken.
Oh wow, it's really good. I can't even tell. This gluten-free flour is really good. You
You
can try. Here. Let's see if we can get you a little bit of skin.
Yum.
You tell me if it's good, okay? No, chew it up. Is it good? Tell the camera.
Good.
Say fried chicken's great.
Wow, it's really good.
This is really good. It's definitely a success. Not as crispy as I would like. I think I'll double dredge it next time. You want another piece? Okay. But it's really good. It's really hot, so just wait a second. On lockdown for a little while with fires around going on everywhere. We've had some crazy smoky skies and really bad air quality. Haven't been able to do much videoing. But thanks everybody. I'm over 100 subscribers now. Yeehaw! I think I'm at 102. I can't wait until I'm at 1,002. I know it's coming. I know everybody's going to support me. Thank you for joining me on our gluten-free air-fried chicken, and have a great night. Take care. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.